In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a filter in CapCut PC. If you want to enhance the colors of a screen recording or give your video a cleaner, more stylish look. CapCut makes the process very simple. Filters are a quick way to improve the overall feel of your project without having to do manual color adjustments from scratch. And in this walkthrough, I'll show you the easiest way to add one and make sure it applies correctly across your footage. To begin, go to the top left area of the CapCut interface and click on the Filters tab. As soon as you open it, you'll see CapCut's built-in library of free filter options. This section includes a wide range of high-quality color looks and visual tints. So whether you want something subtle and polished or a more noticeable style, you'll have plenty of choices to work with. CapCut organizes these visual styles into categories, which makes it easier to find the right look for your type of video. If you're editing an instructional video, a tutorial, or anything focused on clarity, it's a good idea to explore cleaner category folders like Clear or Style from the left-centered bar. These tend to offer looks that improve the image without becoming too distracting, which is especially helpful when you want viewers to stay focused on the content. Before applying anything, take a moment to preview your options. To do that, hover your mouse over a filter thumbnail card, then click the small arrow in the corner. This gives you a live preview so you can see how that filter will affect the colors on your screen before committing to it. This is a useful step because even a small color tint can change the tone of your video quite a bit, and previewing helps you choose with more confidence. Once you find the filter that fits your project, click the blue plus sign icon in the bottom corner of that thumbnail. CapCut will immediately place that filter onto your timeline as a purple asset block positioned above your main video track. That placement is important because it shows the filter is being layered over your footage rather than replacing it. To make sure the filter stays active for the full duration of your lesson or clip, click and drag the outer right edge of that purple block and stretch it across the timeline until it matches the full length of your video. This ensures the effect remains consistent from beginning to end. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've inserted a professional-looking filter in CapCut on PC and applied it across your timeline. You're all set. Done.